In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Walmart Plus subscription. First, you want to go to the Walmart website, and here we will just need to sign into our account. So click on sign in the top right corner, and then you want to click on sign in or create account. Once you click on sign in or create account, you will be asked to log in using your phone number or email. But what do we do if you are already signed in? Then here you will get the option for Walmart Plus. So if you click on Walmart Plus, then what you need to do if you are signed into your account is to go into Google and search for cancel Walmart Plus. You will see this website if you scroll down, manage Walmart Plus membership. Click on that article, and all you need to do is to click on manage membership for Walmart Plus here. Once you click on it in Walmart Plus, it's going to pop up. Like, you need to click on your account and then select Walmart Plus, and then you will select manage membership, and you have the option to pause or you can cancel it. So if you want to cancel it, you will just click on cancel membership underneath here the Walmart Plus icon once you have gone to that page. And once you cancel it, it is gonna be available until the term you have paid for it, and no refunds will be provided. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.